What's going on, guys? Liz over here at Pondering Creations Farm, coming at you with another video, a little bit different today. We are going to be hanging out inside doing a little DIY project. We also have another giveaway, so stay tuned for that. But first, we got to go take care of the animals, so let's go do that. Thought I'd get some goat time today, but it's really windy out here, guys. Hi! How are you? Donk, Peanut, Bunny. How are you guys? Cold enough? We have the chickens on lockdown right now, guys, because we had a hawk attack yesterday, or 2 days ago. I'm sorry you guys are mad you haven't been free ranging, but I mean, I'll take it. It's better than the one. But you guys are all new layers, and I really want more eggs. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do a distressed paint finish. All right, so first step is sand it down and clean it off. Let's go. A couple tips when you're sanding: make sure you sand with the grain, and then I wipe it down with the tack cloth, just something I have in my toolkit. We are on to paint, and this has the built-in primer, so it's really just gonna be one base coat. And this is a gray color, the same color as my walls. So let's talk about this week's giveaway. Okay, here is the t-shirts, and just like last time, there are 2 different colors, and you get to pick what color and what size. We have small to 2X, and it's a cute shirt. It's actually a good brand too. They're really holding up. They're the Gildan. So free shirt for the giveaway. I want you guys to make sure you like this video, and make sure you also like us either on Instagram or Facebook so that you can PM me your address and your color and size choice. But those are 2 of the requirements. And then the 3rd requirement is to comment down below something DIY that you are working on at your house this year. Cubbies are a little bit annoying, but if you do it the right way, and that's get the edges real quick with kind of a lot of paint. You don't want to leave drips in there, but so get the inside edges first, and then same thing, get this edge, get all those edges good. I was gonna come at you with a different video today, but I was doing this and I want to get to see my mom, so I was like, looks like we're doing a design video. But that's great. I have an announcement for you guys, and that's I'm going to be doing a full house redesign, and I'm going to bring it to you on our YouTube channel. So it's already in the progress, and it's kind of going to take a little bit. So there is a little suspense and build up for that. It's going to be a couple different videos. We're going to do it like a series with a couple DIYs and stuff like that. So I'm glad I can announce that to you guys. And I do still have a couple videos to do for my landscape series that we're working on. And we do obviously homesteading videos. And now we're doing the giveaways, and those are so exciting, guys. Just something fun for us to do in the winter. Make sure you guys get entered in the giveaway. Good luck. All right, guys, so I got a nice base coat on everything. I didn't do the inside of the drawer runner just because I feel like then it just chips and peels, and I don't know, I never do that. And now we're going to do this dark color, and we're just going to do some dry brushing. I've done a video about a dry brushing technique before, but it's wetting your brush and then blotting it off, because you really don't need too much paint for this. All right. And we're just gonna put it on randomly. And we're not gonna use too much. This table's weird because it just has that curve. So we're just gonna go around. A little goes a long way, as you can see. You can add water to the paint just to water it down, or there's some products you can buy like a glaze that would just add a different texture and maybe give you a little bit more time to go back and wipe stuff off. But if you just do it with the paint on a dry brush and you just plan on sanding if you put too much, it works great. This table we actually got at a thrift store in Northampton probably 30 years ago, and it was such a great find. I'm glad I'm finally giving it a new life. I need a little more paint in my brush. I go back where it's a little heavier. Here, you don't want to get it too heavy, but you don't want to miss a spot either because it'll look weird. I never even needed to go back and dip my brush again because this amount of paint did the whole entire thing with just using this minimal amount. And if I did need to dip my brush back in, I would have used the paint that was on the cardboard, not going back to the original can. So, I thought I was going to add more color to this, but I'm really just liking this with the grays and the charcoal. So I'm just going to sand in a couple spots where I got a little heavy-handed. What I love about this technique is it's very forgiving because it's meant to be imperfect. This project here I have about 30 minutes invested in, and it has made quite a transformation. And I'm about to wax it. Alright guys, when using the wax, I always take more than a little bit to start because this is Thursday and this is pretty much a big area. So I'm just going to rub it across like that and then just get this whole thing covered. Make sure you get the edges. Make sure you get every surface. And for this, you just put it on a little bit thick and then you go off and wipe off after it dries. And whatever comes off, it like buffs, makes it nice and shiny. You like the new table? Puppy approval? So thanks for joining us today, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay warm. In an upcoming video, we are going to be redesigning this dining room, and then you guys will have to stay tuned for our design makeover series.